Hi everybody, good evening. I'm Shubhi from the Webreads team. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video and share this video if you think it will benefit somebody. Aaj, I have brought something really interesting for all of you. As parents, we are often puzzled about what to buy. There are so many choices regarding books in the market. हर type की books available हैं. There are pop-up books. There is this, that. So many options are available. Or in the time of online shopping, it becomes really difficult to judge a book just by looking at its cover. And then it's really disappointing. जब हम वो book order कर देते हैं और वो book आती है, हम उस book को देखते हैं and we feel like, oh my god, this is like just not interesting enough. So इस disappointment से आपको बचाने के लिए I have actually selected a few of my personal favorites so that you don't have to put in so much effort while choosing books for your kids. So here's my first pick. It's a beautiful, beautiful book called Stories for 1-Year-Olds. And it's a thick book, as you can see, and it has beautiful, beautiful illustrations. See, and it's just an amazing book. So it's very colorful, it's beautifully illustrated, and the best part about this book is it has a number of stories. It's a bit on the expensive side, and the best part is that it's not just for kids who are 1 year old. Even 2 years, 3 year old kids will love the stories in this book because it has really beautifully penned stories, and the illustrations are really soft. They are like, watercolor pictures, and it's like really appealing to the kids. So it's one of my personal favorites, Stories for 1 year olds. You can get it online, or if you see it in a store, well and good. So the next book, which I really really like, it's a really famous book. It's called The Very Hungry Caterpillar's Birthday Party, and this book is actually special because it's a birthday edition. But other variants of this book are available in the market, are available on Amazon or Flipkart, I suppose. And this is really attractive, as you can. I don't know if you can see this, but it has glitter on it, and even on the inside, it's like a full-fledged party book. And there is a little surprise at the end of this book. There is this pull-out feature. So it's like a little surprise at the end of a birthday party. And it's beautifully colored, see? So you can get this if your child is in the age group of I think 1 to 2 years old. Kids who don't really know how to read, but they love books like this because they have some special features to them. They can touch it, they can feel the glitter. It's kind of, over there. So it's really interesting to see how your child will relate to this because kids today, they go to so many birthday parties and all kids love cakes, and it has a big cake right over here. So I think they love it. The next personal favorite which I have is, it's a behavioral book, and I think it's a must for parents who are suffering from they don't know how to handle kids who are becoming very aggressive and hitting their siblings, fighting all the time. So this book is a big problem solver. It was a solver for me personally because I have two boys, and it was becoming really difficult for me to handle them. So this book played a big role in that. And the name of this book is Hands Are Not for Hitting. It's by Martin Agassi, and it's a beautiful, beautiful book. It's really it tells you about what you can use your hands for, except hitting, of course. So it's a new concept, and there are so many other books in this series. You can just go and find out. Like, see, it's listed over here. Like, it has feet are not for kicking, diapers are not forever, then tails are not for pulling, and it's a whole manners series. So you can teach your kid how not to use your hands, and in a very subtle way. So, and it's a board book, so it's not going to be damaged that easily. So it's a pretty safe bet. And it's for kids from the age group of, I think, 1 to 3 year olds also. Okay, so this is it. Hands Are Not for Hitting by Martin Agassi. The next favorite is actually by an Indian writer, and I had never heard about this book. I read about this book on Amazon first. And it's for kids, I think who are even below the age of 1. They will also love to handle this book because it's kind of cute. It has really nice pastel colors over here. It's called Chuglu Buglu. and it's a bilingual book. It is written in English and Hindi as well. So, mm, see, as you can see, it has a lot of funny things going on, and it's an interactive book. If you know what I mean, just have a look. See, your child can. There are flaps also over here, and your child can open these flaps. See, there are these things written on top, and then below them there is some kind of an interactive thing which your child can do. So there are various things on each and every page, and you can easily use it to entertain your child. And my kids loved it, and I hope your kids will love it too. See, you can just rotate this guy over here with big yellow eyes. And it's kind of funny. Kids love this book. It's quite cute. And it's a fat book. It's a board book. It's not going to be damaged that easily. And it's a pretty safe bet. So here is it, Chuglu Buglu. And the writer is Alankrita Amaya. And I got this off of Amazon after reading so many good reviews. And I really loved it. It just lived up to my expectations. So this is it. Okay. So these are the few books which I really love and I would recommend for all the parents who have young kids out there. All the best. Happy reading. That's all from the Well Reads team. Bye bye.